Students with disabilities include anyone in school who has an IEP or 504 plan. Disabilities range from invisible disabilities, such as someone who has diabetes and may need a small accommodation for that, to a learning disability, to someone who maybe uses a wheelchair. EmployU is one of our providers on the project, and they did a lot of heavy lifting for us. We contract with them, and they provide the boots on the ground services. They really are the ones who are working hand in hand with the employers to make sure that the success of the program really is achieved for everyone.
The great thing about this project is that it gives the students a taste of what this type of industry is like. And to be able to get these on-the-job training internships really gives them kind of an idea of what work is like and what this industry is like, and it really makes it a whole lot easier for them to start getting into a career when they're ready to.
We've gotten a tremendous amount of involvement and interest from parents, students, the employers. There isn't one person that is at the table that had a negative attitude towards this, and it was so forward thinking. I think that this is going to reverberate through the entire state.